Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
Choose units, grid spacing, and canvas size before drawing. Start by selecting metric or imperial units and pick a grid density that matches your project. For character sketches, choose tighter grids. For landscapes, choose wider grids. Set spacing to 1/2 inch or 50 px for precise sketching, so proportions remain consistent across devices. Enable rulers and set origin to top left or center, depending on layout. Lock aspect ratio or choose a 16:9 canvas to match screen formats, and use grid snapping and guides to align strokes and maintain symmetry. Activate Snap to Grid to make straight lines and perfect circles follow your grid, then disable it for freeform strokes. Subdivide larger squares into quarters or 1/4 increments for detail work so that proportions remain accurate when scaling a motif. Switch between visible grid and subtle guidelines to reduce visual clutter during shading and texture work. Toggle grid opacity. Change line color or hide grid on export when preparing final artwork. Export at 300 dpi and 1:1 scale for print-ready files to ensure lines print crisply and measurements remain true. Choose PNG for raster, SVG for vector output. Use separate layers for grid, sketch, and final line art so you can toggle or hide the grid without altering your drawing. Save presets for common grid sizes like 3/5 inches, 1/2 inch, and 50 px to speed future projects. When printing, match printer scaling to 100% and test a small section to verify alignment before full runs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.